Let's create fish and parchment paper together. As the name implies, fish and parchment begins with a square piece of parchment paper. Begin by generously drizzling olive oil onto thinly sliced onion rings, then season with salt and pepper. Add the red slices of tomato in a single layer. Not only does it make the recipe pop in color, but it enriches the flavor as well. Next, add your white fish fillet, first washed and patted dry with a paper towel. Here I'm using a gorgeous fillet of sole. More olive oil and seasoning on top, finishing off with thinly sliced lemon and an aromatic twig of rosemary. Rosemary is a low-maintenance weed which grows in my backyard and along the road. If not found in your backyard, you can buy it fresh in most grocery stores. We create flavor, seasoning, and moisture of the final product by layering all the fresh vegetables together inside of this parcel. Now carefully wrap this parcel, either like a burrito, folding the paper over the top and tucked at the sides, then rolling it all together to the edge of the parchment paper. Place your package seam side down, place them all on a baking sheet, and cook for 30 to 40 minutes in a 350-degree oven. To serve it, you can unwrap and remove from the parchment paper, or serve right inside of it by tucking the edges in like a boat, removing the rosemary twig and lemon, and serving it. This is the moment of truth. We're going to try this fish.